Hey guys, it is Fergal here, and first of all, I want to say thank you to you for taking the time to look into 24-hour profits. In a moment, what I'm going to do is jump inside the members area of the course to show you exactly the steps that you need to take once you join the course. And I'll also be showing you exactly what's in there, everything, nothing held back. Anyway. Let's take a read of the headline on the sales page first of all. So it says, Newbie Friendly Method reveals how to make $286 per day on autopilot. The bullet points say no Google or Facebook or Bing ads, no creating videos, no tedious search engine optimization, newbie friendly method, make money today, there is no waiting, scale up from $286 per day all the way up to $1,000 per day with this method, and this is proven to work for anyone period. Now, the regular price of this course is $27, but right now we have a discount where you can get it for just $2, and that is a one-time price. There is no recurring fees or anything like that. It's just $2, and that discount will be available for a limited time. Anyway, let's jump inside the members area and show you exactly what you're going to be getting and exactly what we're going to be doing inside here. The first thing you're going to see there is to join my Facebook mastermind group. So I'm going to be with you every single step of the way to make sure that you're a success with this method inside my Facebook mastermind group. I'm going to be in there answering your questions and all of that kind of stuff every single day until you are successful, which should be on the first day, and that's why it's called 24-hour profits. What the course is going to be about, what I've done for you is I have a done for you sales funnel already set up. Now, you probably know that a lot of the big internet marketers, the top guys, they make money by having their own products. Now, that's great, but creating your own product, it takes so much time. You have to do so much support. It can take a month to 6 weeks to create a product. It's a very, very difficult process. So what I've done for you inside 24-hour profits is in just one click, which is this button here, you get complete the product already done for you in one click, and you get your own link where if people click on that link and then buy, you get all of the profits throughout that entire sales funnel, 100% commission throughout the funnel. It's the exact same as having your own product, highly tested. This has been split tested over the last 6 months to make sure that the conversions are at the top level of conversions. So to have your own product, 100% commissions, all you need to do is to click this button, get your own done for you funnel, and you'll be approved instantly, and you'll get your own individual link. And when someone buys through that link, you get paid instantly into your PayPal account. The money does not come to me first, it instantly goes to you. Now you're probably thinking, okay, that's great, I've got my own product, but how the hell do I get traffic to that? Well, all we do is we come down here to video number 5, and this video talks about the exact one traffic technique that you need that has been working fantastically well and will work fantastically well for 100% of the people that put this into action. So all you need to do is continue with this traffic technique, use it over and over again, and drive that traffic into your funnel to get instant paydays. Now, there are a few other videos in this as well. We're going to be setting up a squeeze page. It's a very, very simple squeeze page that we're going to be setting up so that you can build your email list automatically as well while making money at the same time, so that you can then promote to those people over and over again in your follow-up sequence inside your autoresponder. So you're going to be sending out a sequence of emails to them over the course of 7 days after they sign up, so that you get the maximum amount of commissions, amount of money from this method. And that's it. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is click the button, and you've got your done for you, highly optimized sales funnel ready to go. And here you can see I've got this 100% banner here. And the reason I've got that there is because 100% of you that take action on this method will be successful with this. All you need to do is take action on this method. Okay, so that's it for me in this video, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. And I look forward to working with you inside 24-hour profits.